Hi everyone, my name is Tara and I am the Youth Service Coordinator at the Main Branch Library in Livingston, Louisiana. Since Mardi Gras is coming up, we've decided to do a few crafts that involve Mardi Gras theme. To begin with, you'll need these products, but you can pick them up at any of your local libraries while supplies last. So let's get started. The first craft we're going to work on is our fleur-de-lis sun catcher. And for that, you will need some contact paper, about the size of the template, 2 pieces. You'll need a piece of twine, some tissue paper cut up, and a hole puncher. So let's get started on it. The first thing you're going to want to do is take one of your pieces of contact paper and go ahead and peel it. You want to take your fleur-de-lis template and just put it in the middle of the contact paper so that it is completely inside. Okay. After you have your template secured to the contact paper, what you'll want to do is just put some of your tissue paper onto the contact paper over the template. You'll definitely go over it, but that's okay because you'll cut it when you're done. And you can do it however you like with whatever colors you like, but since this is Mardi Gras, we use the purple, green, and yellow. Make sure all of your pieces are covered with the contact paper so nothing is showing when you cut it all out. After you've put all your tissue paper in, you can go ahead and put your next piece of contact paper on top. This part may be a little tricky just because it should lay flat. So you'll just cover up your template so that the whole fleur-de-lis is covered again. And you smush it. So mine got a couple of little creases in it on inside the fleur-de-lis, but I think that'll be okay. So once you get it done, it'll look more like this. And from there, you're going to take a pair of scissors and then cut around your fleur-de-lis template. Made just a little bit on the outside of the template so you're not cutting the template. When you're done cutting, your sun catcher will look similar to this. And then if you would like, what I have is a hole puncher to punch a hole at the top. And then you could take a piece of twine to stick it through. And you have a little fleur-de-lis sun catcher. Very easy craft for all ages, although parents may want to help with the cutting and the contact paper. And you can hang it up. All right, so next we will be making a jester hat for the little ones. So what you will need is several pieces of construction paper cut out. Again, these are all available at your local branches. And a stick of glue. So to get started, what you want to first do is take your 2 yellow strips and we're going to glue them together. And then you can glue the end piece to make it circle for the hat. If you have a young one, you can measure their head to see how big it needs to be. After you build the bottom piece, you're going to take, I have 3 colors each, 3 green and 3 purple, and you're going to be gluing these onto the insides of the hat. After you've got all of the cones put on, you're going to want to take your yellow circles and glue one to the top of each of your hat pieces. And then after you put your yellow circles on, you'll have 3 stars and 3 hexagons. And you will be putting them on your yellow circle underneath each of the hat pieces. And you can alternate the colors with the green and the purple, or you can do same colors with purple and purple. I will alternate because I think it will make the colors stand out. Once you have all your shapes put on, your hat is almost done, but to make it look more like a jester's hat, you may want to take the top pieces and just kind of bend them over a little bit so that they bend down more and don't stand straight up. The circles at the top will help weigh the construction paper down, but it may need a little bit of help getting there. A jester's hat that will make a great parade wear. So for our final craft, we will be making Mardi Gras shakers. This would make a great addition with your jester's hat at any Mardi Gras parade. What you will need to make this craft will be some ribbon and some pipe cleaners. That's it. So to start, we're going to take our black pipe cleaner and put it into a circle. You can make it however big or however small you would like. And then when you get the circle to the size you would like, you just wrap the ends of the pipe cleaner so that the circle stays. But be careful, sometimes the pipe cleaners have little wires sticking out and they can get pokey. After you have your circle made, you're going to take the ribbon that comes in your to-go kit and you're just going to take them and tie them onto your pipe cleaner. You can do 1 knot or you can do 2, whatever you think is better for your situation. If you can, try to put the knot on one of the ends of your pipe cleaner. That way it stays secure. I take scissors if you choose to, and just cut off the ends, just for a neater look. And there's your shaker. Sure to bring you a lot of attention at any parade. All right, everybody, that's it. I hope you enjoyed our craft time today. Remember, the supplies for these crafts are at each branch, and they are only until supplies last. So have fun crafting, and laissez le bon temps rouler. Bye.